Giga, pop Giga inside southeast.
Stopping them,
Giga
stopping them.
southeast. Yep. Ready, D-Tank Soul. We're gonna engage again in 5. Look at north of us. Inside of us now, ready, inside of us. In 3, 2, 1. Inside of us now. What the fuck damage? Where is my DPS? Kill, inside of us. Kite southeast outside. Giga, go southeast outside. Heal up. Go outside southeast.
Use
Fred,
your
Giga,
pots.
Fred,
Use your pots.
Fred, use your pots, bro. Go southeast. What the hell was that? That was so fast. Go southeast.
It's fine. I'm stopping
Go
them.
southeast.
Oh my
Spread,
God,
man, please, party, spread, please. Come on, spread. We're gonna engage again. Ready. Oh, spread. DPS, I need you to hit, man. You're not hitting anything. We're not killing them. Okay, ready, OC. Ready, demons. After we engage, I want demons when they walk in. Okay, OC. Bonk. Their tanks are gonna hold us. So get ready to kite.
Okay na. Brinol yung DPS mo sa likod kanina.
D-Tanks hold for us. D-Tanks spill for us, bro. Keep bonking. Ready, demons, bro. When they walk in, demons.
Yo, brawler on our backline. No? From northeast. Hindi. Wala pa. Nakamount pa lang.
Keep bonking.
One D-Tank.
We're about
Watch
to open
them.
again. We about to open the gate. Okay. Ready, kite. Ready. We're gonna bait them. We're gonna kite southeast and bait. Okay, kite southeast. Oh, the Giga. Nice. Okay, ready to come back in. Okay, walk in west. Tanks, I want you to hold. Tanks, hold. Nice. Bomb squad, can you engage their front?
Tapos na. Nag-engage sila.
Okay, ready, look at my west. On my west now in 3, 2, 1. Delete in front. Okay, kite northeast now. Ready, demons.
I'm stopping
Demons now. D-Tank spill for us. Ready, demons. Ready to pop your pots. Pop your pots now. Pop your fucking potions now. Drop your Judis. We're gonna engage inside of us. DPS, I want you to look inside of us. On south of ground, on the choke, ready on the choke now, in 3, wait a bit, I'm still done. 3, on the choke, in 3, what the fuck, man, I can't move, I'm stunned. 3, on the choke, in 3, 2, 1, on the fucking choke, please drop. Oh my god, okay, nothing,